Hey guys, it is Oliver back today, and I'm just leaving my house. Well, I kind of just left my house, and I'm in someone else's house right now. So I'm leaving their house to show you where my house is, and then I'm gonna come back into this house. And the reason why I'm going into other people's houses, or into one other person's house, is because in the comment section below, someone commented that I should break into someone's house. Not really break in, but obviously you can see over there's a street, and I live back down there. So I'm gonna just basically break in. Guys, I swear to God, I am really, really scared right now. Oh no. Alright. Here I go. So there's two ways in. I'll show you. I've got that gate right there. That way in. And I've got in here, in this way. I think someone's watching me. Someone's watching me. Oh God, someone's watching me. Someone is watching me right now. So basically I'm gonna jump over. Hi. I'm vlogging. Yeah. See ya. Jesus Christ, guys. I am so scared right now. I have to break into the goddamn house. Oh God. I just saw another person. I hope that that guy's house wasn't this one. Oh, wait. It's open. That's open, guys. Let me see this gate. So remember, I'm trying to get into someone else's house. And I don't know if that kid's still watching me. It's creepy. But anyway. I've got this gate to get into. Oh my God. That was loud. I have to close the gate again, it's going to be so loud. Hopefully the person that lives here thinks it's just like their neighbors or something. Right there, I gotta go and close this gate. Thank you. Jesus, it's hard. Oh God. Where's the gate? Close it. No way anyone's gonna get back in there. Oh my gosh. Look. This is their backyard. Look how cool that is. Oh no, I keep sneezing. I'm so bad at this. Okay, guys. Oh God, there's stairs. I hope this person doesn't have any animals. I gotta stop sneezing. Oh God.
Adrian. How you going? It's Adrian from Mute Snoring Devices. How are you? I was hoping to have a quick chat with the retail manager.
Guys, I got all my Jesus Christ.
Good to chat. Just reading obviously